know that not one opposition will turn on another?
No, you see.
As far as I know, Bobi Wine, his money is coming from the Brits. Who is funding him? Do you know?
I think it's not hard, that serious funding from outside. In the last election, he, I think, got some money from the Americans only.
Okay.
Not the British. He also got some money from neighboring areas, from Rwanda.
Okay.
At that time, Rwanda had issues. But you see, the one thing you need to understand is that the discontent in the country is massive and united.
Under you?
United, so they will be united under whatever is potent to do something.
Mm-hmm.
Previously, they have been united under me.
Okay.
In 2021, I didn't contest. I didn't get into the elections. And I told them the reason why I was not going to get into the elections. And that's why Bobi Wine
rose up.
Yes. I've been working with Bobi Wine, but my assessment is that he's not serious enough to go all the way where we want to go. But his people are what you could call these followers. They're the same followers that we had. So those are, but I don't. In his leadership group, I don't see the resolve, the capacity to push all the way. They don't like to take the kind of risks that must be taken.
Violence.
Yeah. You have to take the risks, and I think some of the people he's working with are also working with the government, in other words, infiltrated.
Okay.
So, but my own sense and approach is that if we start activity, it will prompt all the population